Welcome back to problem 2. In the last video, we talked about the method of substitution, which is when you substitute a value into another value to turn a binary linear word problem equation into a single variable one. So let's see what we're going to be looking at for this problem. We know that 2x minus y equals 3, and that 3x plus 5y equals 11, and just like last time, we're solving for x and y. So I don't see any value that already has one variable off to one side and that we can substitute in. But what other method can we use? Well, what is another way that we can transform this into a single variable equation? Well, if we're going to get rid of one variable, we're going to have to cancel it out, right? Cancel it out. And canceling out things is a very important way and a very, very important way of thinking that you need to master, when especially doing functions. So how can I cancel out things right now? Well, I see that on the first equation, there's minus y, and that on the bottom equation, there is plus 5y. It's the same variable, and it's different signs, which means that if I add them together, I can cancel out one of them. But I want to get rid of all of the y's right here, okay? So let me show you what I mean. First, I'm labeling this top equation as equation 1 and this bottom one as equation 2. Now watch what I'm going to do to equation 1. Because down here it's plus 5y, up here I'm going to times 5 on both sides. Now watch what it's going to become. So if I multiply 5 on both sides of the first equation, I'll have 10x minus 5y equals 3 times 5, that's 15. And this is still true because I multiply the same thing to both sides. So now we have, this is equation 1, now we have 3x plus 5y equals 11, and that 10x minus 5y equals 15. See what I did there? Now we have plus 5y on one equation and minus 5y on the other equation. Now I'm going to add equation 1 with equation 2. Right, equation 1 added with equation 2. So on the left side here, I'm going to have 10x plus 3x, right, plus 5y minus 5y. On my right side, I'm adding 15 and 11, so 11 plus 15. So I can cancel out plus 5y and minus 5y because added together, if you add the same thing and then subtract that thing, it's going to be gone and it's going to equal 0. 10x plus 3x equals 13x, and on the right side we have 26, which makes x equal 2. Now we can substitute this x into, say, one of these equations. I'll pick equation number 1. 2 times 2 minus y equals 3, which means that 4 minus y equals 3. So y equals 1. And our answer is x equals 2 and y equals 1.